Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today we will review another website, that is techterms.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, please watch the video till the end and you will be able to get the maximum details of this website, and by then you will be able to know either this is a legit website or not. So let's begin with the discussion that Tectums claims to be a leading home wall sticker selling website. You will be able to transform your wall with the help of this website's extensive selection of 3D numbers and wall stickers. So you can find wall stickers of all sizes on this website, but before going to have shopping, just check the details so you can have the idea either this is a legit website or not. So no doubt the domain is http secured. The email address they have mentioned is also matching the domain name, that is sport@techterms.com. It was created on 13th of May 2020, so it is at least around about 1 year old website. They have mentioned their exchange and return within 30 days. Delivery time they have mentioned is about 7 to 15 days. Moreover, they are offering you free shipping and refund is also available just within 2 to 3 days. They have not warranted any particular item. So let's check out what are the positive aspects of ordering from Tectum. It becomes with HTTPS security and certified mail server. The store kept the prices of its product low. Moreover, it has provided complete contact information and the standard shipping is included free of charges. Moreover, you can return the item within 30 days. But the negative effect are these: there is no review on official website. Moreover, social media icons are also useless. So still we have a question in our mind that are Tectum legit? As everyone is not familiar with motives behind unpopular store, it is necessary to thoroughly search them. So we can discuss some basic checkpoints for you for the evaluation of this website. As the domain name for this website is 1 year old, it was registered in last year May, and it is registered and valid till 13 May 2022. This site has 5-star rating of shoppers. Tectum reviewers therefore not mentioned on the website. Moreover, the trust score of this website is higher than average at 60%. The content they have published is average, and the site has a 65.6% trust rating, and you can find a few research result on internet for its if you want to know its popularity. Moreover, while customers have not submitted any feedback to the Trustpilot website as a reliable feedback site, however, the video evaluation has revealed that we have discovered negative comment. So we can say that by then that we believe that this website to be questionable based on our research. This site suggests that customers do their research before purchasing any wall sticker. So if you want to buy any wall sticker, do your own research and then take a good decision for your shopping.